Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to blur out faces of multiple people. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually add the clip onto your timeline here, and then at the top you'll go under the effects tab and you're just going to search blur and just wait for it to pop up. Okay, so there's a couple different blurs, so just go through and pick the one that you actually want. This is my favorite, so I'm gonna pull it onto the clip. As you can see, it blurs the whole clip. That's not exactly what we want. So just on the right hand side, you should be by default under basic, go under mask, and we're going to click on add mask. And here you could select the shape that you want. So let's just say I'm going to select the rectangle shape here, and let's say I want to blur this person's face here. So you can add the blur like that, and once you play through a clip you'll see that it doesn't really track her face. So go under a spot where you'll see that the blur is actually covering her face, and along the right hand side here scroll down and click on track, and then it's going to go up to 100%, and AI will help you just track her face by default, and you can see that it is just panning with her face, and her face is staying blurred, and that's awesome. So let's go over to the next person here. So highlight the clip once again, drag blur back on, and then we'll click on add mask once again, and let's just do a circle this time, just for fun, just to add something a little different. So we're going to cover the middle person's face here, go back and click on track, let the progress bar go back up to 100% here, just so that it will actually track the motion here. So as you can see, it is panning through once again, and we're just going to cover the last person's face here. So highlight the track again, add blur, and add mask, and yeah, let's do the rectangle here for this person here, and cover them, and click on track, and AI will help you the rest of the way. CapCut makes it super simple and super easy. And okay, so we're done there. So let's play back the clip, and as you can see, all of their faces are covered with motion tracking. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.